Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something super exciting for all you football fans out there, especially the Barca faithful. We're unboxing the brand new FC Barcelona 2024-25 home shirt. Just arrived fresh in the box, straight from Nike, and I can already tell this one is going to be special. Let's dive in and take a first look at what this season's shirt has to offer right out of the box. The jersey looks stunning. The iconic Blaugrana stripes are bold, crisp, and instantly recognizable. The material feels premium, lightweight, breathable, and perfect for match day or just repping your team in style. The collar design is sleek, the sponsor print is neat, and the club crest? Absolutely sharp. This jersey is not just a kit. It's a piece of football history reimagined for the modern fan. Nike has really outdone themselves with the 2024-25 design. This year's home shirt blends tradition with innovation. You'll notice subtle details honoring the club's heritage, like the Catalan flag colors subtly integrated, while still keeping things clean and contemporary. It's stylish enough to wear casually but built with performance in mind. Let's talk about comfort. I tried it on and the fit is excellent, snug where it needs to be, and roomy enough for flexibility. It's made with Nike's DRI Fit ADV technology, so it keeps sweat away and stays cool, even if you're playing or cheering in the heat. Whether you're at the stadium or on the streets, this jersey feels just right. That's it for today's unboxing of the FC Barcelona 2024-25 home shirt. It's a fantastic piece of kit, one that truly stands out this season. Big thanks to the website for making this available at such a great price. If you're a jersey enthusiast or a fashion lover on the hunt for top-tier gear, look no further than /kick.com, one of the best destinations online for high-quality jerseys and stylish fashion items. Whether you're repping your favorite football club, basketball team, or simply looking to upgrade your wardrobe with trendy streetwear, kick.com has something for everyone. What truly sets this site apart is its wide product range and unwavering commitment to authenticity. Every item is crafted with precision, delivering the kind of quality you'd expect from official gear, but at a fraction of the price. And speaking of price, one of the biggest reasons shoppers keep coming back is the unbeatable affordability. You get premium looks without the premium price tag. But it's not just about the products. It's the entire shopping experience that makes kick.com stand out. With secure payment options, including popular digital wallets and credit card support, your transactions are safe and smooth. Fast, reliable shipping ensures that your order arrives quickly, no matter where you are. And if you ever have a question or need help, their responsive customer service team is always ready to assist. For anyone who loves unboxing high-quality gear and discovering hidden gems online, kick.com delivers on all fronts. It's a trusted, customer-focused platform that understands what fans and fashion-forward shoppers truly value. So whether you're collecting jerseys or just want to turn heads with your style, kick.com is absolutely worth checking out.